So here is a new bike I just built last week. I used some components from the old one and I name it Ion. Has 1000 watt-hour of battery capacity, and right now I loaded their 28 amps firmware. It's for 36 volts, but with BBR it is you can trick. You will see it will give you for a second error, and then when the BBR starts it goes away and showing me the wattage up to 1400 now. But yeah, with this big battery also has a lower voltage sag, but it's nice now. 1400 input power, battery power or DC power, and I think it's enough for this motor, because maybe you know there is one weak chain in the motor, and that's the gear, and inside the gear the the one-way bearing is failing, so I wouldn't be going much higher, or even this is too much for this motor. Yeah, this shock is really good. It's much better now. I just tested it the first ride, better downhill, and it's really good. I need to tune it a little bit. Seems something is rattling still inside. I don't know if this hose, maybe, because battery is now very stiff, and I also has put the foam here on this cover. Not seen, but there is now a little rubber or foam all around, so I need to check what is rattling there. It looks like this. Again, the rides with bars with just very minimalistic, everything what you need. And again, I'm not using the saddle dropper post, no needed now. Okay, I need to bleed the brakes, change the rear disc brake. It's old now. Yeah, I found out that these discs can stand like 5000 kilometers. Then it starts to wobble here. Here is a play in this I don't know how to call it in English, and I'm missing one screw, so I put the yellow one. Alright, and have here a tracker over the helium, which is not working in the mountains big like this one, but it's very nice.